The most interesting problem to solve so far is how do I get people to understand what I do? In high school, I've already known that I love working with my hands. Aside from doing the academic courses, I also did a lot of hands-on courses such as automotives and metalworks. So when I came to KPU product design, it made perfect sense because we have the theory classes, but then we also have the hands-on. I think the role of a designer in society is to solve problems, and I love solving problems. Because we're not experts, as designers, we actually go out in the field and do research. We reach out to experts and understand things from their perspective, and then we reach out to users. And by understanding all the people that are involved that will be either using this product or experiencing this product, you come to a good understanding of what the product should be. You're able to actually bring a product from just this idea into reality. What I try to embody is a concept of circular economy and just being sustainable. I think all business should be sustainable. I want to be able to help eliminate waste before you even start something. You've already have a plan on how this product will be recycled. One of the things that's very important in product design is to be able to learn from products that didn't make it or your own prototypes that failed, and be able to learn and iterate from that. Through the process of what we call fail fast, fail often, you can be a better designer and create better products. You look forward to failing because it means your product will get better. And I think the best part is when you actually get to build it, prototype it, and actually test it to see if the product that you created will actually work. And if it doesn't, then you go back to the drawing board and you reiterate, and just knowing that that process will always be there, and that struggle, I think, is what makes design very fun for me.